All right, always dig your sump pump basin pit deeper than your trench. So I want to show you the step. So the bottom of the sump system is going to set right in here, and those two barbed male connectors will be here because we want to drain the trench. We don't want the trench to hold any water. So when you get to those two male barbed connectors for corrugated pipe, you want those to be just on the ground right here. You want to barely be able to snap on your corrugated pipe. So you're going to end up with a step here. It looks like about 8 inches. All right, so the guys just went ahead, lined the sump pit, put the fabric pins in to hold it back. We're going to surround this with stone, but I wanted to show this because it's ever so important. So my hand is on the bottom of the trench. This is the bottom of the trench, and we got 3% slope all the way to our sump system. It's really, really important that right here, see how this, so what they did is they dug the sump pit out deeper, and there's a step there. There's a step where this drops in. See, so we can empty the trench. All the water has no problem on a 3% slope falling into the sump pit. Of course, we'll hook up a couple pipes here of high octane, and with all the inlet that we have built into this, it's going to take in all the water and it's going to pump the trench dry. So this is extremely important when it comes to installing one of our sump systems. This is one of our duplex models, and I just wanted to make a quick video for all the many people who are purchasing the bad seed and installing it so that they have success with their drainage products.